Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable camera voice commands to take pictures or record videos on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in here, tap on the settings button. Then we go down and tap on shooting methods. Then tap on voice commands switch to turn it on or off. If you choose to turn on voice command, you can say things like smile, cheese, or capture to take a photos. So we're going to go to photo and say capture. Capture. Or you can say cheese. Alright, to record a video, you just tap on the video tab and then you can issue command like record video. And then it will start recording the video. And that's it. So that's how you can use voice command to capture or record video on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series.